Hello everyone, just wanted to give you guys all a heads up. Just bought this today. It's a Vizio V-Series all-in-one 2.1 soundbar. Bought it at Walmart for about 115 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and give you guys a review on this product to see how easy it was to set up and the pros and cons. All right guys, so the setup for this subwoofer was relatively easy. Took less than 7 minutes to set up. Hooked it up, followed instructions, and I mean, very satisfied with the product. As you guys can see right here. I mean, just
The
listen.
people here, they're born here, they die here. Whole town's one big gravity well. And it's easy to get stuck.
The children I used to play, they spent summers there with their parents before they passed.
Such a draining thing, dealing with children.
Exceptional children, really.
It's just lovely that you're here. But you have to promise me something.
I'm telling you guys, I feel like I'm in the theater without even being in the theater.
So she doesn't see me.
Who?
The lady in the lake.
Again, guys, this is the Vizio, and like I said, nobody's paying me to do this review. I went out and bought this myself. Very satisfied. 115 bucks. Got it at Walmart. Thanks for checking it out.